Hello, my YouTube friends. This is the Stinger s32p. Okay, if you're trying to rely on something, this is one of the things to rely on. Very good. It comes with a magazine top right here. Very good slide. Orange tip, which I don't like. It's got a pretty flimsy trigger. Lightweight. Don't ever try and cock it like this though. More like this. Breaks it slowly. Very good hand grips. I love the slide. Not real aiming except this rail right here. Yeah. As you can see, it's got a pretty big barrel. Yeah, I'm wearing this. It's got about 300, 400 FPS. So I would not recommend this to anyone who is not like a real shotgun. You actually have to pump, shoot. This is not good for first years. Okay, me and my friend were shooting this one time. We gave it to a newbie and he couldn't figure it out, so unless you know what you're doing, don't get this. Okay, so this is the Stinger s32p review by Player 65. Thank you.